In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Start by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to find advanced features. Click on this option here, access one-handed mode and use gray switcher at the top to activate it. Then just pick one of those options to reduce display size with, gesture or button, and follow all of the instructions below the chosen one. In my case, double tap the home button. As you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To scale your screen, hold one of its corners and drag it. You can also change placement of your screen thanks to this icon on the left or on the right and this line at the top. If you want to go back to standard size screen, click on blurry area, and to disable one-handed mode, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!